Welcome to the City of Southlake's Parks and Recreation registration page, the hub of all fun in Southlake, giving you the flexibility to register for Champions Club, recreational, or senior activity center programs. You now have the flexibility of renting and reserving any park pavilions or Champions Club rentable spaces. You may also purchase either a Champions Club or Senior Activity Center membership as well. For the purposes of this video, we will walk through creating an account and registering for a program. If you have already created an account, you will log in and select either of the three boxes below that best fit your needs. In order to register, you must first create an account. To do so, click the Create an Account button on the page banner. Please be sure to read all of the information above as it gives you basic knowledge when creating an account. If you are creating an account for your child, you must first create an account for yourself. All fields with a red asterisk are required. Please note that the email address is required. This will be your login information and username for the account, so please use a legitimate email address. As stated above, your email address is now your username for the account. Please proceed and create the credentials. When creating an account for your family or to add your children, you must click Create an Account and Add Family Member. If selecting Create an Account, it will not let you go back and add additional family members. When adding your additional family members, enter their information and click Create Account once all family members have been added. Once your account is created, you will get a pop-up box that says, "Thank you for creating your account." Your login name will be sent to your email. Click OK. This is your options page on your account. In order to begin registering for a program, click the Home button. This will take you back to the main page with the three boxes. To register for a program, please select Register for a Program. The program search will pop up. It gives you multiple field search options where you can search by program category, age category, or a specific instructor. You may also search by using a keyword. Once you have found the program that you are interested in, please click Add to Cart. This is where you will select on a drop-down menu the participant in which will be participating in the program. Click Next. The program registration waiver is this blue hyperlink. Read and agree. Once you have agreed to the waiver, click Next. This is reviewing the fees in which that are associated with the program. Once you have reviewed the fees, click Proceed to Shopping Cart. This will list all of the programs or rentals that you have in your shopping cart. If you wish to check out and are done with your purchase, click Check Out. This is where you will enter all of your payment information. Once your payment information is entered correctly, you may click Pay and proceed. Once you have paid, you will receive a confirmation email with your receipt, and then you will also receive a pop-up that states that you have been successfully enrolled in the program. If you have any questions in regards to registering for a program, creating an account, or any of the other features in regards to the website, please feel free to give us a call at 817-748-8955 and we would be happy to assist you. Thank you.